Hey lovelies, what's up? Welcome back to another video. I'm glad to have you. I hope you guys are doing great on your side of life as I am with this delicious lasagna soup over here. Now don't forget to hit that thumbs up button to like the video and subscribe for me please if you haven't already. Now let's get into how I made it. Love you. So first I started with some Italian ground sausage and some grass-fed beef. You don't have to use grass-fed, but this is what I chose to go with this time. And I seasoned that with some powdered seasonings that you just see popped up on the screen: onion powder, garlic powder, some Tony's Creoles, and some adobe seasoning, Italian herbs, and so on. And I just sprinkled that all over, and then I went in with my hand. You could use a gloves. If you don't, that's fine. And you're just going to get all of that powdered seasoning incorporated into the meat. After which it should be looking like that. Next we get a nice hot pot with a little bit of oil at the bottom. Forgive the extra smoke over here, not sure what's going on. But anyways, you want to get your pot nice and hot and you put your meat in. Ensure that it's getting brown on every side, every inch and quarter of that meat, okay? You want to break it up a bit with whatever you're using to stir the meat, just so that it's not all clumped together. And as each side is getting brown like that, you're just gonna turn it over and make sure none is left pink or red, whatever color that is. You just want your meat to be all nice and brown. Once your meat is basically cooked, I just went ahead and pushed the meat aside a bit and let some of that gravy and extra oil just move to the side so I could take it out. In the meantime, I chopped up some fresh vegetables, some green onions, garlic, bay leaves, thyme leaves, rosemary, the whole works, and I just put that in that little bit of oil that's left in the pot, and I'm just going to let them saute on the side for a bit by themselves before I mix it into the meat. While I'm letting it saute, I'm going to go in with some tomato paste, some Walker's with jerk sauce, you know that's my thing right there, give it a nice taste of flavor. I also went in with some homemade green blended seasonings and better than bouillon. I love this stuff, it works great. I mean, it's for beef, but I just about put it anywhere, even though this is beef, so it works pretty good. And then I just give that another good stir, let that tomato sauce fry out a bit, that tomato paste, fry out a bit. And then I'm just going to get it all mixed together, get all that good taste and flavor spreading all throughout the meat. Yes ma'am, yes sir. And now that's done, I'm going to go in with some tomato sauce, not pasta sauce, some tomato sauce. And I'm using 1 bottle of that Italian pasta sauce right there. My bad, tomato sauce. I'm just gonna mix that around. Isn't that looking good? That's looking real good. Okay. And now I'm going in with some beef broth. This beef broth specifically has a bit of red wine in it. I mean, it can only make it taste better, right? Yeah. So if you don't have beef broth with red wine, you can just go ahead and just use your regular beef broth or vegetable broth. But for this one, it has a bit of red wine. and it's gonna make it even better. Okay, even better. I just went ahead and dumped the entire box in there because it was just about done anyways. So that's about 2 cups and a little. I give it a good stir, and then you go in again and you just put some more seasoning, some Tony's Creole, some garlic powder, some more Italian herbs that has the oregano in it and all the good stuff. So you just want to season this a bit again. Now I'm going in with the extra herbs that I had, the parsley, basil, the bay leaves, the thyme leaf, and the rosemary. And your house should be smelling really good right now. Okay. Then I went in with about 2 cups of heavy cream. Yes, look at that go in. And I just give that a nice stir. It's looking really good. And now next to the lasagna, you could use oven ready or not. But yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and break these up into smaller pieces and just put them in, give it a stir, and we're going to let them get softened up. We're gonna cover that and let it simmer down. In the meantime, between time, I'm going to be making the cheese balls that's going to be going into this. I use some ricotta, some feta cheese, some feta. Did I use feta? I don't even remember what I used. Forgive me. Too bad. I used some ricotta, I used some cottage cheese, there's some Parmesan cheese, and there's also some gouda cheese. I got it. And then I mixed in some parsley into that. I'm just gonna give it a good mix and get everything nice and together, and that should be that. Just about now, the soup is ready. The pasta shells are soft enough. The meat, the flavors are bursting throughout the pot. Everything is nice and ready, and that's what's looking thick and nice. Okay. Then it was time to share and plate that food, and yes, I was hungry and ready to dig in. If you think it's looking good, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Comment down below and let me know what are your thoughts on this delicious lasagna soup. Take her in. She's a beauty. Alright, it's time to chop. Alright guys, so it's time for me to try my oh so good delicious lasagna soup. It's flying off the charts. Okay? I already know this. I got a spoon here, but we don't need this. You know, we got the bread. That's gonna be our spoon today. Nice and crunchy. I don't know if you can hear that, but yeah. Going in for a dip in this delicious lasagna soup. Okay. That's a 10 out of 10, okay? I think that's the most delicious soup, like, that's the most delicious thing I've ever eaten, okay? It's absolutely delicious. So tasty, so good. That beef, the seasoning is popping in the meat. Make sure you season the meat good. This dish is amazing. I hope you try it out at home. Give it a try. I think you're gonna love it. If you love lasagna, you're gonna love this lasagna soup. Give it a try. Thanks for stopping in, for checking out today's video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoyed as much as I'm enjoying this soup. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.